The Ramayana is a well-known religious epic originally written by sage Valmiki in Sanskrit. It was later translated into many other languages and developed many versions. Set in the beginning of time, this is the story of a prince and how his divine plan unfolds. Ravana had kingship over Lanka and was a harsh ruler. Naturally, the gods were not pleased with his evil ways. To solve this problem, they asked Lord Vishnu, protector of the world, to bring back peace. After listening to the problem, Lord Vishnu assured the gods that he himself would take the form of a human being through the birth of Rama, the son of King Dashratha. In this way, he would show mankind how they should live and what they should strive for. Also, he had to avenge the evil ways of men through which the gods suffered. However, the Ramayana isn't only about Lord Rama and the rescue of his wife Sita. The Ramayana is also about devotion, loyalty, family roles, and respect for elders. It does not begin with the life of Rama, but actually with the people on earth who suffered from the demon named Ravana. Ramayana is the story of Lord Vishnu, who took the form of Rama, son of King Dashratha of Ayodhya. His mother was Queen Kausalya. As the eldest son, the king announced that he succeed him, but his stepmother insisted that the king banish him from the kingdom for 14 years. During his exile, his wife Sita was kidnapped, and he and his brother Lakshmana saved her. He returned to the kingdom after his exile and was crowned king. Lakshmana, favorite brother of Rama. His mother was Queen Sumitra. He accompanied Rama during his battles with demons in the forest. He also went along with Rama and Sita when they were exiled into the forest for 14 years. During the final battle, he went into a deep coma, and Hanuman was able to save him by bringing a rare herb for his cure from the Himalayas. Sita, princess and daughter of King Janaka, wife of Rama. Her name literally means furrow. She was kidnapped by Ravana and taken to Lanka. On the way, she dropped her jewels as a clue for Rama. Hanuman lived in the Rishyamukha mountain with his friend King Sugriva. He had found and collected the jewels that Sita had thrown down as a clue when she was being kidnapped. Hanuman helped Rama to find Sita. He did this by flying across the ocean to Lanka and gave her Rama's ring. But he was captured by Ravana, who set his tail on fire. However, he set himself free. During the battle that ensued, Hanuman was able to save the life of Lakshmana by bringing a rare herb from the Himalayas. Ravana, demon who ruled over Lanka. He was a cruel king who terrorized people on earth and prevented the religious people on earth to perform their sacred rites. His family consisted of his sister Surpanaka, his brother Vibhishana and Kumbhakarna, and his uncle Maricha. Indrajit was his son, who had the ability to become invisible and fight. Dashratha, king of Ayodhya, wise and wonderful, much loved by his subjects. His three wives were Kausalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra. Queen Kausalya gave birth to a son called Rama. Queen Kaikeyi bore a son named Bharata, and to Queen Sumitra the gift of twins, Lakshmana and Shatrughna, was bestowed.